What is up, everybody? It's Campin' Randy here for ROA Off-Road, RVsofAmerica.com. We have a 2018 Airstream Classic 33 that's been traded in for a pause, one of these awesome guys here, and we have this available for you. I'll put a link in the description so you can check out the listing. Gonna do a quick walk around for this. I am not an expert on Airstreams, so I'm just gonna point at things and talk about them, and then you guys do the research. Email me, Randy at RVsofAmerica.com, or give us a call at the number that's showing up on your screen. But let's walk around it. The folks that traded this in were amazing. So they are definitely loving their new adventures in the Pause 20.2. If there's anything special I need to look at on this that you want to see, just let me know, and I will send you additional pictures of it. The stabilizers are in here. You have an outdoor shower, water inlet there, 50 amp service, awnings on both sides, two giant 30-pound tanks on there, more storage here. The bed is under there. You got some more storage here, auto jack, huge awning, goes all the way across here, screen door. This is my favorite feature. Look at this doorbell. Is that cool or what? You walk in, your main power's here. You can turn all your lights on, do a quick scan. And we'll get to this area in a second. I'm gonna hit the bedroom that's this way, and then we'll do the awesome bathroom. TV in here. Max air fan. Beautiful, beautiful. Tons of storage. Have your heaters running down the side. Let me close these guys here so you can see the wood. Full control here. And then look at that living area. This table is electric. It lowers down. That turns into a bed. Beautiful stove, oven, microwave. Stuff doesn't even look like it's been used, but they did adventures on this. Tons of counter space. Can move this out of the way to show the sink. And let me turn on the lights. Cool button. All this, tons of storage here. Exhaust fan for when you're cooking. Look at all that big spice rack there. This actually has a projector over in this section for the couch, and then you press a button, and hidden right here is a screen that comes down. Amazing desk, tons of room. Have a nice chair. Bose surround sound system. Even have storage in this. Check that out. Storage everywhere. Let me put this away in there. Complete control. Check your batteries, which is low. I need to plug this in, but you can literally go in here and close all your blinds with the touch. Turn on your fans. This will be your audio system. There's one in the bedroom as well. And we'll hit close all the blinds so you can see that happening. Over your kitchen's manual, all of these windows pop out, which are amazing. So if I can get this to go. Is that cool or what? Let's go back to the bathroom. Tons of storage in your closet here. cedar backed. This thing, guys, even has heated towel racks. Look at that. Put your towels on there, make them nice and warm. Porcelain. Beautiful bath. Shower even has a clothesline in there. Settings. Love the vents. This actually here is your exhaust fan. You pull that down when you're traveling. Then when you're out and about, you come over here and hit that little guy. Takes all the steam out for you. All right, guys, this is the 2018 Airstream Classic 33. We have it available in Duncan, South Carolina. Call the number, text the number that I'm showing right now. Give me an email as well at randy@RVsOfAmerica.com. And let's get this puppy out to your property. Have a great day.